Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your guest account on Call of Duty game. So let's get started right away. Now, if you deleted your previous game account on Call of Duty and you were using a guest account instead of an online linked one, then there is still one way in which you can recover all of your guest account progress. However, in order to recover your progress from this method, you will need to make sure that your phone has not been factory reset after your Call of Duty game was uninstalled previously. So in order to proceed forward, just long press on your Call of Duty game and tap on the info button at the top right corner. Now from the info button, just scroll down and tap on forced stop at the bottom right and then tap on OK to stop the app. Then tap on storage. Then from the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left and then tap on the delete button to clear all of your user data for the Call of Duty game. Once your user data has been cleared, when you open up the Call of Duty game once again, you will be greeted with the welcome screen after waiting for some time and installing some resources. Now once you are inside this page, you can tap on the guest option and then tap on confirm. And now once the login is completed, the Call of Duty mobile game will pull up the resource files from within the local files of your Android device and pull up all of your progress from your phone data. And there you have it. That is how you can recover your guest account on Call of Duty mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.